Quadratic equations. In this video, you will learn how to solve quadratic equations by square root method. Let's start. A quadratic equation has the general form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A is the leading coefficient or coefficient of x squared. B is the coefficient of x. C is the constant term. The square root method works when there is no middle term in the quadratic equation. That is, the coefficient of x is 0. The only variable in the equation is an x squared term. It's the simplest form of a quadratic equation. To solve a quadratic equation by taking square root, the procedure is the following. Pay attention. Step 1. Isolate the ax squared term on one side of the equation. We isolate the only x squared term on the left side by adding both sides by plus 8. Then we divide both sides by 2. Step 2. Take the square root of both sides. Take the square roots of both sides to solve for the value of x. Always attach the plus minus symbol when you get the square root of the constant. It's done. Pay attention in these two examples. Add 48 from both sides and then divide both sides by 3. Take the square root of both sides. It's done. Subtract 125 from both sides and then divide both sides by 5. This has no solutions since x squared cannot be negative. Another example. To solve this equation, don't expand the bracket. It's very similar to the previous ones. Take the square roots of both sides to solve for the value of x. How should we understand that expression? Remember that plus minus 4 means either plus 4 or minus 4. Therefore, we should split our answer according to the two cases. Either x minus 3 equals 4 or x minus 3 equals minus 4. This gives us the two solutions, 7 or minus 1. The next example you should try to solve by yourself and then check the full resolution. If you enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask or suggest anything. I will be grateful.